We're in the cocktail shack, ready to go.
Oh, I don't like that name.
You don't like cocktail shack?
You know what it reminds me of?
What?
The love shack is a little... Okay, right. I'll stop now.
Please.
You're just jealous. So, we're making another couple of cocktails. And along the lines of the donutini and the snickertini, we thought we'd try a couple more food cocktails.
Now, keep in mind, this isn't a cocktail bar, okay? This is us doing it at home. Suck it and see how it comes.
Yeah, just a bit of fun.
Yeah.
So we're not professionals. We haven't done a course, all that sort of jazz. We're just following a little recipe and changing it to suit ourselves.
Pretty much.
So, okay. First cocktail shaker needs some ice in it, please.
Yes,
now,
dear.
This one is called I Can't Believe It's Not Cheesecake Cocktail, so we'll see.
I can't believe it's not cheesecake.
Yep.
Okay.
So I don't know how that's going to taste.
Well, you won't be able to believe it's cheesecake. Apparently.
That was me rolling my eyes, people.
Okay.
Close her up. So this one suggests dipping this in, what does it say to dip it in? Oh, in cream cheese, dipping the edge in cream cheese and then cracker crumbs to be like a cheesecake bottom.
Okay, yep.
Now, dipping a glass in cheese alone was enough to make my stomach turn, but then to put crumbs on your glass, it was just like, the crushed peanuts was brilliant.
Yep.
It really added that texture thing to the cocktail. It was fantastic, loved it. I'm not having crumbs in my drink. That's like dipping a biscuit in there and dropping it in your cup of tea, you know. So,
that's right.
Yep, so I'm not doing it. So we're just going to make the straight cocktail. So first of all, this is homemade buttermilk. You just get full cream butter.
You churn it all yourself, did you, dear?
Yeah. It's just full cream milk with some lemon juice in it. That's how you make buttermilk.
What?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, really. So we need...
I wouldn't have never picked that. Lemon juice.
Lemon juice, yeah.
I would have thought that would make it curdle.
Okay. So we need, there's 2 ounces
Of?
buttermilk.
Bit of butter.
Bit of butter. Oh, there you go. Careful pouring it. It's going to go everywhere. It's not really a jug for pouring. So 2 ounces of that.
There you go.
And then we need 1 ounce of amaretto.
Of amaretto.
Yes, please.
So, I don't know if you've been following our Galliano videos, but this is another Galliano. Amaretto basically is almond. Almond.
Or arsenic. Isn't that what's in almond pits?
Yeah, it's in a number of different pits. But anyway.
This tastes much better than arsenic, I'm sure.
Or maybe not.
Oh, well. So 1 ounce of that.
Okay.
Now, hang on, before you do that.
Yeah.
In our last cocktail, we did exactly what they said. 2 ounces of the cream and then 1 ounce, 1 ounce.
Yeah.
Do we want to up the alcohol on this?
How about we'd make it 1.5?
Yes, 1.5 of that and 1.5 of the next alcohol.
Yep, I think so.
Okay.
All right.
So 1.5.
Yeah, that looks better.
Yes. All right.
You know what that reminds me of?
What?
When we used to make rum balls. That's the rum ball flavour.
I wasn't a fan. Was that rum balls back in the day or rum
Yes.
balls? Okay.
No, rum balls back in the day when I was a pastry chef. Sorry, what was that?
Now he doesn't even make me mashed potatoes.
As any pastry chef would.
Oh, that was the way he won. He won his way into my heart with mashed potatoes, fish fingers and peas and corn. I was so impressed. That mashed potato.
A gourmet or what? Gourmet.
Yeah, don't worry about what was with it. Those mashed potatoes. And he hasn't lifted a finger since. Can we?
I have. It's called a bar.
No, it's called this, yeah. And the same amount of frangelico, please.
Oh, now we're talking.
Yeah, I think this will be more your cup of tea than mine. I can't see how something with amaretto and frangelico will taste like cheesecake, but we'll see.
Okay. So
again,
frangelico is hazelnut. So, yeah, that's a bit strange. We got
hazelnut, and then almond.
and almond together.
Yeah, I don't know.
But okay,
We'll see.
so there you go. Made by little bald monks in
they
robes.
were never little. They were all very portly. So, I mean, weren't they supposed to be self-sacrificing and give up everything and... No? Okay.
Not the monks I've met.
Okay, cool.
They liked a bit of the good stuff.
All right.
A lot like me, really. There we go.
Okay, so that's the Frangelico. And then we pop in half a teaspoon of brown sugar.
Oh, that's different. Okay.
Well, it's cheesecakey, I guess. Hang on, I won't go overboard with the sugar. I know you don't like it. And we pop in a 2-inch piece of lemon peel.
Oh, that goes in there for the shaking.
Yes, thank you, Raj and Unita. Well, they gave us those lemons, which was very nice of them.
Yes,
so I
they
used some of their
did.
lemon.
And what good lemons. That tree was superb.
Yes, it was.
It was, I'd say their cup runneth over. It's their lemon tree runneth over.
Exactly.
Wow. I'm always impressed by how cold this gets almost immediately.
I've noticed you're always impressed.
You notice I've always
I've
impressed?
noticed.
I was impressed by you, my darling, the first time I met you.
That's me rolling my eyes.
I heard them roll.
Let's try that. Pop some in there and I will add the recommended garnish to the glass.
Oh, the recommended garnish.
Recommended. Stick your finger out when you do that. Oh, that's not as creamy as I thought it would be. That'll do. And then you are supposed to pop a strawberry, which I have pre-cut.
Snipped.
There we go. Pop that there.
Gave
And
the
we
strawberry a bris.
No, I didn't cut the tip off it.
Okay.
So, this is, I can't believe it's not cheesecake cocktail. So, have a sample. You're first. Because it's got your nut liqueurs.
So I'm
in
the
it.
guinea pig.
Well, it's your nut liqueurs. I'm not a fan.
I'm glad you said it's my nut liqueur.
Drink, Freddie.
Thank you, darling. Wow.
Really?
Yeah. That's impressive.
Does it taste like cheesecake?
No, you can't believe it's a cheesecake.
Does it taste like cheesecake?
I don't believe it's a cheesecake. So they were right.
Oh, no.
Really?
All I can taste is Frangelico.
Hey, see, that's strange. Because the amaretto comes through to me a lot stronger than the Frangelico does on this.
All I taste on that is Frangelico. And I'm not a fan, as you know.
Wow. I'm getting more amaretto than Frangelico out of this.
Well, that's funny.
Yeah.
But do you like it? As a cocktail, it's not sickly or
No.
sweet or
No.
any of those things.
No. That's not bad. I prefer our previous videos, Snickers cocktail.
The Snickertini.
Yeah. Oh, is that what it was?
Yes, Snickertini with the peanuts on the edge.
Yeah.
Yes. That. I would drink that every night of the week. Like, that was really good.
So I could make a bucket for you, could I?
Yeah, they would have to tide me over a week. I couldn't
Yeah.
be needing a bucket. So. Yeah, no. But that doesn't do anything for me at all. But
Really?
it's refreshing because it's got the buttermilk in it.
Yes.
So that's why it's not sickly sweet like with cream and stuff.
Okay.
Yeah. And it's not overly sweet. I mean, although it's got brown sugar in it. Can you taste the lemon from the lemon peel?
No.
No, neither can I.
Hang on, but I need a second opinion.
Of course.
Now, again,
It's
the
the
predominant taste
amaretto.
is amaretto in there, which is the almond liqueur. Mm-hmm. I mean, everything is coming together, very small hints of everything else. To me, mainly it's amaretto.
So, and you put in the same amount of amaretto
Yep.
as Frangelico, so that's really interesting.
Yeah, but you're saying,
All I can taste is the Frangelico.
so that, yeah, okay.
So, all right, well, pop
So
that.
you don't like this one?
No,
So
that's
I
yours.
can keep this one to my
Is there
side,
any
can
more?
I?
Is there any more?
I'm
in
sure there is.
Okay, no worries.
And
we've
it's
got
all
more.
mine.
Okay, not a problem.
I don't share.
Okay, now, Almond Joys are a little almond biscuit, and we're making an Almond Joy martini. Make sure you squeeze every last drop out of that. No, don't. You're just going to be a silly little boy then. All right, grab the other shaker, and I'll pop some ice in.
Popper. Pop it good.
Pop that. I was going to say zip, but that wouldn't be nice. Might as well use all the ice. There we go. A few out of the way. Okay, so in that we are putting 1 ounce, and now it says chocolate vodka, but we are using, on this, because it's a clear drink, we are using the Mozart, that's clear.
The clear one.
Yes.
The clear Mozart.
Yep, so it says 1 ounce, but we're going to, what's this, how much is this? Full.
That's a full nip, it's 60 ml.
So 60 ml is 2 ounces. So we're going to do a full nip.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so a full nip of the Mozart chocolate spirit.
Yeah, so for those who don't know, it's actually a chocolate spirit, it's a liqueur. But what it is for those that aren't familiar, it is dark chocolate, and you wouldn't believe the strength of the taste of this dark chocolate. Oh yeah.
So a full nip, because this is a clear martini,
Yep.
and then a full nip of Frangelico.
I'm surprised you picked these, seeing as you don't like Frangelico.
No, but you do.
And rightly so.
There you go.
We're back to our little portly people again.
Well, the people might be portly, but the bottle's not. The bottle's in proportion. And then the same again of that coconut stuff, which I can never remember the name of. I always want to call it Bounty because of the chocolate Bounty bar, but I know
Okay.
it's not. Malibu.
Malibu. Now, I actually have the same, by the way, Malibu, which is a...
It's a coconut flavoured rum.
yeah, it is. But I also have a coconut and spearmint rum.
Ugh.
Oh, that is so good.
That's like brushing your teeth and drinking something.
Yeah.
No,
I'd do that of a morning.
it's true, you would.
Oh,
Same again.
same again. Oh, I like that. So what's this called?
This is called an Almond Joy Martini, so it's based on the Almond Joy biscuits.
Okay. So this has got 3 full ounces of
Booze.
good stuff in it.
And it will not affect you the same as a biscuit does. It's much better.
Well,
All right, shake her up.
shake it,
Sorry.
baby. Shake it, baby. I say shake it, baby.
Shake, shake, shake.
Oh.
Oh, the coconut rum. No, the coconut rum was clear.
No.
It's not. It looks it in the bottom of the bottle. I have another little strawberry here. I'll just pop that on the side for the effect.
Makes it almost seem like you're in Havana.
Can I have a look at the... Thank you. No, see, it's clear.
There you go.
So, but combining the 3 of them with the ice has made it go because they were all 3 clear spirits.
Frangelico isn't.
Oh, that's why. What's Frangelico?
Well, it's got a tannish colour.
Oh, okay. Well, that's why it's changed colour. But it did say Frangelico, so
Yeah.
I don't know why their picture is clear. But this is an Almond Joy Martini.
And is it joyful?
We are about to find out.
See, it's getting clearer.
Okay.
You won't like this one.
I could have told you that. It's got coconut and Frangelico in it. All I can smell is suntan lotion.
That's different.
I prefer that to that.
Really?
All I can smell, taste is coconut in that. I can't taste anything else.
Yeah, it's just amazing how our taste profiles are so different. I get coconut, but mainly I'm getting Frangelico.
Can you taste the chocolate at all?
Some, but not. It's not.
All I can taste is
Overpowering.
coconut. I mean, that would look. It's very, to me. It should have a piece of pineapple on the side or something because
You
of
know,
that.
that would be fantastic. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, just because of the coconut. Just very. Almond Joy. It hasn't even got almonds in it. I don't get it. Frangelico's hazelnut.
Don't know.
No.
I actually prefer these cocktail glasses to the round ones. You notice that these are sort of
Yeah. That's
almost
sort of-
squarish.
Yeah.
You can properly drink out of this because
Oh, okay.
you bring
so
it to the corner.
Yeah, because the round ones, the whole thing comes.
Yeah, you sort of. Ugh.
Depending on how many you've had, yes, probably.
Well,
right.
yeah, that's true.
Well, there you go.
That's not
Two more
bad.
cocktails.
I
to
don't
the
mind that
list.
one. I prefer that one to this one, actually.
Yeah, no.
I don't know why.
If I have to drink one, I drink the coconut one.
Really?
Yeah, just.
Well, guess what, girl?
No. I'm not that keen on it.
Wrap your lips
I
around it,
think I
woman.
need to make more of the snickertini.
Oh, wasn't that just fabulous?
Yeah, I think so.
I do like that.
I
With
think
the
The
peanuts
crushed
around the
peanuts,
edge.
Yeah.
That
It's
was
worth doing.
magnificent.
It's worth crushing the peanuts. I didn't have crushed peanuts. I had some peanuts, but I had to crush them myself. But it was worth the effort because it really made the.
Well, you put it through the blender thing, didn't you? Through the.
Well, the blender thing was in the dishwasher, so
Oh.
no.
So you beat it manually, did you? You gave it a good and thorough beating.
Took out my frustrations on the poor little peanuts. Harsh, way harsh. So if someone like we can have a little cocktail list up on the wall.
Yes.
And say, these are what you can have. This is what we've got ingredients for, and give people a choice of a cocktail when they come over.
We could do that. Are you going to be making them?
Yeah.
Oh, well, in that case, done.
I think if we're going to make more cocktails, we should do something fruity because it's summer. We're more than halfway through summer now,
Okay.
and soon summer will be an end. Yay!
But then we'll have the fire on.
Oh, absolutely, and we can do sangrias and all those wonderful things.
Mulled wine.
Yes. People come over and you've just got the mulled wine sitting there ready to go. The warmed mulled
Yeah,
wine. Just use
exactly.
your slow cooker and it's good
Yep.
to go.
Yep.
So, yeah. Good times to come.
Anyone would think we're alcoholics.
What's with the we, white man?
Yeah.
And that's not racist. He is white.
Today, it depends what I identify as tomorrow.
I was going to take another sip of your drink, but no. I'll
more
leave
than
it
one.
for you.
More than
I'll
one.
leave it for you. That's all yours.
That's it for us today, guys. I hope you like what you see.
I hope you have sympathy for me.
Thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below for us. We love that. Good on you. Catch you on the next one.
Bye.